long as I'm not muted again, that would be great. Because that was pretty annoying last time. Is it not working? What up, Jacob? We are absolutely cooked. Is it working for you?
YouTube?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can hear it. Yeah, I just heard me hear you. Hear me.
Oh, love hearing this. Yeah, I don't know. It's not working for me. For some reason, I can't see my own YouTube, but apparently you guys can, so that's cool. What up, Tino? No, we aren't cooked. Lock in, JK. Why are we cooked? We are cooked because all the good daily objectives for the day have been absolutely destroyed. So I have no more expectations. We almost inversed this 1 hour, but it's holding. We got this giant news dump up here that we will see how that holds. Did you bank today? I took the 30-second short. At open. This one. The orange guy was talking. Yeah. Wait, how do you get that #1 fan badge? That's lit. Just in here showing love, I guess. You guys, I want to believe that the draw is lower still, but the thing is, we got this giant. Oh, wait a minute. I was wrong. Okay, no, I wasn't wrong. We got this giant SMT right here. So we'll see. How am I supposed to share the link to my stream if I can't open it, dude? Like, how are you guys able to watch it and I'm not? I don't understand. See, look, it's not showing me that I'm live. Oh. Bro. What the heck, man? Oh, he's in the chat, in the chat, in the chat. Took the shore to open and cook, not gonna lie. Yup. Exactly. Bro, I can't believe I was muted. That whole video yesterday was muted. I did like a daily review, or not a daily review, but like a charting session yesterday, and the whole freaking thing was muted, bro. 15 minutes of talking about all this stuff, and I was muted. Nice, nice. So cool. So literally just chopping inside of this news dump. No surprise there. That happened fast. I don't know if you guys were watching when that happened, but that happened fast. I feel like we still want to inverse this 1 hour, man. Low key. Came up, tapped into this. You know, this might not have actually been a bad tape read here. Target the break of the SMT. I could see that. But I could also see this just doing that. We'll see what happens when PM opens up here. I feel like we're gonna dump, but I don't know. I think we want to inverse this 1 hour. Can't lie. I know it's been holding forever, but got this 30-minute up here. That's been holding price down now, so I full ported gold longs. You better short NQ. I need prayers. Prayers for gold longs in the chat, apparently. Putting in this LRLR right here. Do we long this chat? Trendline long? So lunch session about to start up right now. Try it? No. See if that makes anything any more volatile or not. My phone must just be bugging then, because I can't click on my thing still. No updates needed. Huh. I don't know. Okay, so there's the end of lunch. Or the start of PM, whatever you want to call it. We shall see what happens. Oh. Well then. Trendline. What the hell? Okay. So the trendline trade would have been an absolute W. What is going on? Tino, Tino said I got cooked. I told you. The name of the stream title is "We Are Cooked." I told you. Oops. All right, you guys. So I've had an idea, and I'm gonna start doing it probably this week. But I'm gonna do um, either live stream or just pre-recorded videos of live listenings to the audiobook Change Your Thoughts, Change Your Life, and just share my thoughts on each verse as we're going through it. I don't know why, but I feel like it just sounds fun, so that's what I'm gonna do. I just finished it earlier today, and I feel like there was just so much good info, and I'd love to go back over it all again, to be honest. And talk to people about it. It was really good. So we just smacked into this breakaway gap and rejected super hard, so I wonder if I'm even okay. I don't know if that's the right password, bro. It is. Okay, bet. Library. So these are the other ones I have too. I got the power of intention, meditations for manifesting, freedom through higher awareness, and then this one is the one I finished today. So good, dude. So I'm literally just gonna do recordings, like going through that stuff, and like I'll pause it, you know. I'll pause it if he says something nice with it. 60.1 minute candle. That's toxic. Yeah, literally. Chat. We might paper this 1 minute short to break the SMT. And run this trend line. Or not. Or not. Damn! That's messed up. Alright, never mind, chat. We're never shorting again. Yikes. Top fans. We got a number 1 and a number 2, bro. Savage. Sheesh. Okay. So the trend line traders are printing, basically. That's what I'm seeing here. New strat. Liquidity at 950. Yeah, dude, that's where it's up here is probably why. This is such a bearish reaction to hitting that gap. Holy. I don't know. I still like this if we get it. Feel like we just put in a protected high here. Yeah, pretty bearish reaction, honestly. Swept this and this and wick down 40 points. Really good targets below. We do have a bullish SMT, but if we're bearish, then I'd rather use that as a target rather than a bias thing. Yeah, I'm gonna try this. 15. Probably go break even at this low. I don't know. It's paper trade, so I might not. Might just hold it. Kind of weird shorting into a trend line, but it looks decent. We are in the mac. No, we're not in the macro. I'm sorry. Oof. We're cooked, chat. I told you. This is why. So, let me just explain why I did say we are cooked. Literally, I put we are cooked because so many daily objectives have been wrecked today. So it's kind of hard to expect price to just keep like going for higher time frame targets when we've already taken out so many. Does that make sense? Like we've already destroyed so much liquidity today, and most of the times when that happens, there's like just more accumulation and more manipulation that happens before we just go after new targets. And like these are targets that we just now are putting in right here, but we'll see. I feel like that. Was that 15? I was in a short when that huge pump candle came, laughed my ass off. I'm praying right now it keeps going down. Dude, imagine, you know what I thought was funny? Imagine taking this and then like having that. Yeesh. That seriously happened so fast, dude. We were just sitting there and we were like, whoa, whoa, whoa. Look out. These candles are a little more dead than I thought they would be at this point. Honestly, I thought when lunch ended, we would start like. I thought the volume would get better. Still might, but I just kind of thought it'd be better already. Yeah, no, seriously, like waking up when I did today was so nice because I literally just was actually on and ready to go. And like sometimes right when market opens, there's such good setups and I always miss them because I'm never awake. So it was so nice to just take that and be like, okay, I'm gonna go take a nap. Yeah, this probably gonna be an L, but it's fine. Trendline traders be trendline trading. Is there really anything? I don't know, honestly. Does it look like we might want to inverse this 1 hour still? Maybe. Just oh, just getting a doji on the 1 hour candle, you guys. Uh, that's always fun. I'm not gonna be like told ya. I mean, that's fine. I love being wrong. It doesn't matter. It's the mindset I'm trying to have anyway. It's a work in progress. Yikes. Paper account and forward testing. Yeah. Okay. So if you're actually in this now, you would for sure go break even. Just saying. Part of me is like, I'm gonna scale, but like, it's on paper. It doesn't matter. I would go break even though because that's I'm not gonna take a loss on that after getting that far in profit. It's not even on paper. Will I do that? And break even. So swept one of these lows. I think this still goes down, but it's fine. No way this doesn't. $9.50 disappeared. LOL. Yeah. Can't lose if you ain't got a stop loss. Facts. Does the break even save us? I don't know. This 1 hour looks like it wants to inverse now. Dude, what a wick up. Jeez. Hmm. Chat. What the hell is this doing? Are you going to be doing more PM streams in here? Yeah. I'm going to be doing streams, honestly, randomly. So I'm trying to start training myself to get up at 5:30 and so I can start streaming before market open. But I don't want to make announcements and start telling people that I'm going to do that when I don't know if I can get up. So I'm going to train myself to get up by then for a little bit, and then I'm going to start trying to do them then. So it'd be like 8:30 to like 10. So it's like a little pre-market, and then the first 30 minutes of market open. And then yeah. Then I can just be done. I think this dumps at the macro. You do Asia? I mean, I could, but Asia is one of the things where you just have to look at volume. Asia's like a day by day decision thing. Some days Asia is so cooked. But then some days Asia is decent. I really think the draw is the break of this SMT, but being kind of reluctant to do so. But everything's looking pretty bearish. Down to this unfilled gap would be my draw. Especially if we inverse this 1 hour. Low key might try this 1 hour light size on an eval or something. Just try and hold it down to here. Imagine. But, you know, we're just going to stay in here instead of run liquidity. And honestly, this PA that I'm seeing right now is not all that surprising. We've just taken so much liquidity already that it's hard to expect more just runs to happen. But we'll see. We will see. You never know. Trump say one thing and we can just start ripping or dumping. You never know. You never know. And it's so annoying. About to be a London trader just so I don't have to worry about trading while Trump is awake. Like, the more you trade when that man is asleep, probably the better off you be. Do we get this macro dump? Yeah, plus pre-FOMC this PM tomorrow could be choppy. Yeah. Yeah, the rest of today is weird because, like, I have good targets, but I just don't know if the market wants to keep doing that or not. We'll know when this 1 hour inverses or not. If the 1 hour doesn't inverse again, I will literally laugh so hard that you guys are gonna go deaf. My mic is gonna like break how loud I laugh if this 1 hour doesn't inverse again. I have no idea. Later, Tino. Sorry, I didn't see that. I'm all out there, CBA, to be in a position with such unpredictable conditions. Yes, indeed. So, man, so unfortunate. Yesterday, we literally talked about the market today, and I was like, we got this liquidity. Hopefully, we don't run it. Like, hopefully, market doesn't open below, and then we don't get a chance to get a setup, and it didn't, and it was awesome. And then it ran it, and it was awesome. And then now the 60-minute is holding. Like we all talked about. And basically all the conditions we laid out yesterday during this charting session has been played out pretty nicely. So, unfortunate that it was muted, the whole recording. 15 minutes of quality mutage. W Munchies. My condition right now is this 1 hour, so I'm not even going to bother staring at the 1 minute chart. I feel like that's how you get chopped up. Like when you have a condition in place, staring at a lower time frame chart will get you chopped up. Like look how low we are in this. Look how high we wicked up and came back down. There's no way I can bother looking at anything until I see what happens with this 1 hour. So sitting here staring at the 1 minute chart, 30-second chart, 2 minute chart is not really, it's kind of pointless. So like, don't fake yourself out. If you have a condition in your head, just stick with it and let it play out. Wait. Look at all these lows right here, dude. Like, come on, chat. There's no way. Like, come on, chat. Does anybody not feel me on this right now? There's no way. If this doesn't look obvious, I don't know what it is. It's gotta go there. Exactly. Like, come on. There's no way. This 1 hour has been holding for so long, dude. And now we got this 1 hour order block right here. We're knifing through this. We tried to get a bullish reaction here. Didn't. And now we're way back down here again. Like, bro, come on. Come on. Oops. I say we get back in on the 1 hour. I'm gonna try and get these paper Lambos locked in. Paper McFlurries for the whole Discord community. What the heck, bro? Don't do this. What the heck, bro? If this 1 hour holds again, I'm telling you, cover your ears because I am going to break this mic with laughter. So I'm just letting y'all know now ahead of time. So don't blame me when it happens if you didn't pay attention. This 1 hour does not inverse, bro. I don't even... Bro. No shot. We got 2 minutes. Bro. You don't want to see this gap stay. You definitely want to see this gap get filled in pretty soon. Wait, chat. Wait. We gotta get this inverse down right now. Yes, come on. We gotta get this. Dude, we need this. Bro, come on. What? Oh, dude. Chat, cover your ears. I'm telling you it's gonna happen. No. Bro. Bro. This has to go down, bro, right? There's no way. If this 1 minute down inverses and the 1 hour down inverses, bro, I'm hopping in. They'll be at the same time. Dude, no way. Chat. Ain't no way! Dude! No way! Bro! Damn, Chad, that's crazy. This 1 hour is a beast. I went to the backyard so I couldn't hear you inside. I definitely laughed loud. I'm sorry if that hurt anybody's ears, but I warned you. Dang, man, that's so messed up. Wow. Might cut out. Okay, bet. Sick. Well, that'll be funny to watch later then. We'll have to make a short out of that. Call it when the 1 hour never inverses. Bro, that's crazy. That's the bullish thing ever. Most bullish thing ever. We might as well just go long, chat. Oh. Okay, wait. Whichever 1 minute candle breaks first sets the direction for PM. Calling it now. So we just tapped into this. No. Oh, yeah, we did. Okay, so we just tapped into this and got pushed down really hard. And my dreams of shorting are gone, basically. Honestly, if we inverse this 1 minute down, I'm going to take it. Yoink. 4 hour close below. So we did get the 4 hour inverse, right? And honestly, after a 4 hour candle close, it's pretty normal to get a wick in either direction, right? So it's possible that this push up could be just putting in this 4 hour candle wick, and then we basically get like a power 3 setup down to continue lower to break this SMT. But the 1 hour, dude. How did I draw that line that straight, bro? That's not bad, eh? This is crazy in here, dude. What the heck? Like, we dumped so hard right here. Wicked up like crazy. Came back down. Did all this. And then right here, we just pump, wick up. Jeez, man. This 1 minute here is holding. This 1 minute here is holding. Look at this LRR. Plus this. Plus the SMT. Oh, dude. Random short. Munchies is in. Chat, Munchies is in. Munchies is in, so I don't know what the heck we're doing. Bunch of donuts. Wait, are you in short? I'll take a trade with 1 micro just for S words and giggles. Oh, fudge. What if we make a daily prop block up? Don't say that. Oof. But we're so... Like, listen. Why can't we just come down to here at least? You know? Come on. Dude. I think this might hold. I got a list of videos to make this week, so hopefully I don't slack and I actually make them. Like how we just wick down, take out all this little mini LRLR, and just do stuff. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Bruh. Dude, the 1 hour gap holding was like the most toxic thing I've seen in a while. I can't lie. And now this 1 minute's holding. This is not PA you guys want to be trading, okay? For real. It was not bad earlier this morning, but this is not good. Munchies, you're a different breed. Did you take any trades during AM? Yeah, the 30-second short at open. And now it's Dunsies. Here. SMT at the top, delivering from the 15-minute. Got a sweep. Inverse on the 30-second. LRLR below. Dude, over under, which one breaks first? Also, at the end of market today, when market closes today, I'm going to do another charting session in the Discord. If anyone wants to be there for that, join up in the Discord. And I'll make sure I'm not muted this time when I record it. Gosh, bro. I was like, that was one of those things where I was salty, but it was so funny that it didn't bother me because I was laughing so hard about it. Like I opened up the video and I'm just mouse moving, drawing stuff, but you can't hear nothing. It's like, all right. Whoops. Yeah, it was garbage. All of this is pretty garbage right now. So we finally closed above all these candle bodies right here. I almost think that means we'll keep going up. As much as I don't want us to. I want to go down. Pretty barcodey, I can't lie. Pretty barcodey. Everything is just overlapping the next one, like, or the previous one. Pretty boring, I can't lie. The accumulation / engineering right now is insanity. Honestly. The market, I know this looks really sloppy and stuff, but dude, the market is kind of putting in work right now. Like, honestly, we may get another move before the end of the day. Like, market is being a little nasty. And it just looks like it might not be done, actually. 203 candle, technically a protected high. 203. No, I wouldn't be looking at any of this in terms of stuff like that. This is all chop that could get wrecked at any time. Like, I wouldn't even bother labeling any of these for anything right now. If this is a protected high, then sell side would have technically already been taken because you got this LRLR and we came down and took that. Like, that's how tiny of this. It's a very small range to be labeling those in, if that makes sense. Jeez. Maybe we get this 1 minute order block down and close below. Yes, sir. And obviously, I could be wrong, but that's just the way I was looking at it. Well, that was disappointing. Okay. This might go invalid. So I got in on this 1 minute on paper. We'll probably go be at this low. Okay. Oh, I'm out there. Brrr. Type 1. Did we break the SMT? Yes, we did. Okay. Well, that was nice. We'll take that. We put in equal lows here, bro? What the? Dude, what a wick. So even though we took out this SMT, I think I still want lower here. Like I want to tap into this 1 hour down here, I think. Damn munchies. Yeah, I honestly I think now at this point we're gonna reach down into this 1 hour gap. We put in equal lows, like really nice equal lows. You see this? G's, Louise. So I don't think these stay very long, and I think the rest of this gets ran. And we tap this 1 hour gap. Let's go. That 1 minute was a banger. I mean, we were all talking about it. Like this very obviously wants to go lower. I don't see it wanting to do anything else. I feel like we're definitely tapping into this 1 hour today. That's why it's important to zoom out. Sometimes I get caught staring at the 1 minute and miss things like obvious draws, you know. Later, munchies. Dude, a long out of this 1 hour might be like crazy with it. I can't lie. Like imagine we just come down and just like get a V shape out of here with all these highs up here. Oh, there's the tap into the 1 hour. All out there. Nice. Imagine we just knife through this. That would be kind of crazy. Well, um, honestly, might call it there. Nice. Yeah, I mean, it would be great if we just knife down through this. I would love that. The sooner we just get away from all time highs, the better. Price action will just be better. Um, yeah, not much else to say, I guess, at this point. Market pretty much did everything we thought it would, chat. Nice job, Amy. Man, if we just turn around and rip back up right now, I'm gonna be very, very surprised, to be honest. Bro, why do I want to try this on an eval or something? Just do a small stop loss. Dude, that's what I'm saying. I feel like this might work, honestly. Um, I think I'm gonna hop off for the day, chat. I feel the work is done on the charts, and I want to go outside. But charting session in the Discord tonight, or this afternoon when market closes, so join up for that. We took two paper plays. One was break even, and the other one was a quick win. So that was cool. Other than that, we kind of just put in this giant gap down. And I personally if I really wanted to look for a long out of this 4 hour, I would probably want another manipulation leg down and then a setup so that we have closer targets and not this big gap. So ideally that would be I would rather see something like that, if that makes sense. Yeah, there's no good break even points here. And it's just a big giant gap to the left. So ideally you'd like to see maybe a little bit more engineering and then one more manipulation move, dig into this gap a little bit more, and then get it inverse like that. And then that way you have break even points and scale points, and then you can leave runners. If that's what you do. So yeah, that's my thoughts for the rest of the day. I'm gonna hop off and go outside, so have a good day, everybody.